Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course today guys, I have a special product to show off to you guys, and that is of the Amazon Fire Stick. As you can see here, this is the Amazon Fire Stick, and I've done the favor of just removing it from the box. That nobody really wants to see the box anyway, so I've just skipped through that section. As you can see, these are the components that comes inside of the box with your Amazon Fire Stick. In case you're curious what are all these things, first of all, you have the remote to control the unit. And of course, this is the back, this is the front. And as you might see here, it comes with the this general button layout. And of course, this is just the regular version of the Amazon Fire Stick. And what you do use the Amazon Fire Stick for is basically for cord cutting. So if you want to cut away from cable and all that and get all of your digital media online through one simple device, you can do that with the Amazon Fire Stick. And this is mainly for consuming Amazon-based products such as movies and TV shows. You can also have your favorite platforms such as Netflix and so on installed, all through this simple dongle. Now, if you check out the Fire Stick itself, you'll notice that it comes with the Amazon branding, which you can't miss right here. This is the back of the device. This is the side. This is where the charge port is. And of course, we would attach this cable right here, or this cable for power. So we just basically plug this in. And of course, the other end would go onto the adapter brick here. And this needs to be powered while it's connected to the HDMI port. And of course, I'm going to put these aside. Now guys, if you also check out right here, this is a breakout cable to extend the HDMI. So all I'm going to do is just connect both of these, and of course this can connect to the back of the TV. So it's basically an extension of the HDMI port, which is needed in most situations due to the design of most modern TV sets. So putting this aside, it's very small and minimalistic, as you can see right here. So of course the remote is the main feature, and if you check out the remote itself right here, you'll notice that it has the voice functionality, meaning you can press and speak, and Alexa, which is Amazon's assistant, will chip in and help out in situations to find items. Of course, you can ask you general questions and so on, as it's built just like on all other Amazon services. This is the navigation button with all the directions, and of course the center click. There's also the home button, there's a menu button, there's a back button, there's play or pause, there's rewind, and there's skip forward. And of course, those are the general layouts. This thing uses batteries. It's basically slide off the back, and if I'm not mistaken, it uses two AAA batteries, which is the small batteries, as you might know. Now, of course, all of this works quite fine. You can pick this up on Amazon. I think this will be just under $50 US. And of course, once you do this, you'll be able to access all the cool Amazon services and enjoy your content such as Netflix or Amazon movies, all in one simple, easy and convenient package. So let me next show you what the interface itself look like once this is connected and booted up. Okay guys, this is the interface all set up of the application, and as you can see here, everything's working fine. You can see you have Netflix, you have Prime Video, along with all the other applications, and you can check out some of these cool channel features you can access once you sign up through Amazon. Any of these premium services and stations. Great if you're actually cutting your cable. You can check out original Amazon programs as well as anything else that they offer on this service. You can basically have everything in one cool interface. And as you see, Amazon is constantly adding new content. You have TV shows, you have movies, it's all here on Amazon. You also have access to the Amazon apps, and the latest and greatest in terms of animated series and so on. So the Amazon app is a detail app. You can see here you have notifications. You can connect to your Wi-Fi, and setting up to connect to the Wi-Fi is quite easy. You'll need an Amazon account. So if you have an Amazon account already, it's as simple as simply connecting to your Wi-Fi and then signing in. Once you sign in, you'll be able to instantly purchase stuff, especially if you had a Amazon credit card already associated. And just like any other system that's similar to Android, right here you can see you have all your settings. You can go through, you can check out your My Device, you can mess with your account settings and so on. And if you go into my Fire TV, for example, you'll notice you have a lot of options that's common in Android, such as developer options. You can turn those on and off. You can mess with sleep mode. You can restart your device, and everything from within here. And everything can be done at the click of a button. So for example, I can always return home by tapping home. And it's as simple as that. You'll jump straight back to the home. You can hold the button as I said, and I can test out the voice assistant, which is Alexa. It all works flawlessly as I've tested. Another power tip, guys, is you can also go ahead and get the very cool app for your phone that will allow you to control the Fire Stick or Fire TV stick quite easily. I recommend that you do this. If you check it out here, it's called Fire TV. And once you hook it up and you're on the same Wi-Fi network, it's as simple as tapping. Once you do that, it will connect to your device. And here's mine. And as you see here, guys, I can do anything such as scroll by the touch of a button. So guys, I can simply scroll through, as you can see here, back, up and down. I can also tap to select. I can go sideways, and I find it much easier, for example, when inputting text. So I simply just stop, and then I can actually cut and paste. So for example, I could go to my web browser and cut and paste something from here. It's more convenient to type from here. And of course, all of the controls such as home, which was on the main app, is right here. So as you can see, I can scroll as I see fit, and I can move through the on-screen options simply from the phone. So make sure that you install the app. It kind of gives the remote a break and it's more convenient. Alright guys, so that has been it on the Amazon Fire TV stick. I'll have in future tutorials on how to do specific things with the Fire stick. If you have any questions, you can check them out. I have the full review of the blog. You can actually check out one of our links to go check out this particular device that's cost less than $50 US. You can purchase this and have it as your own to enjoy Amazon's cool content on the convenience of your TV. And remember, it will work on any TV as long as you have a free HDMI port. Alright guys, this is your Carter from Blog Tech Tips. See you until next time. Bye.